They're possibly thinking about it now. And if they're thinking about it now, where are you in that discussion? So a discussion came up in one of the design groups I'm in, and they said, should you even bother selling over Christmas time because people are on holiday, people switch off, people just aren't in the mood for buying decisions and starting projects in December. Now, from my experience, there's two attitudes to this. If you've got a crazy amount of work on and you're doing really well, then maybe Christmas time is a time you just slow down, have a breather, get ready for the new year. That's fine if that's what you want to do. If, like the majority of us, you're actually trying to ramp things up, get more clients and really kick off the new year, I would suggest that December time is actually a really good time of year to prospect. I'm suddenly found myself talking to at least 3 or 4 people. I had an inquiry just yesterday, and there's like 3 weeks to go till Christmas, but these companies want to do stuff. And what you'll find is that towards the end of the year, companies are looking towards January and thinking, do you know what, we may be needing to look at a rebrand, look at a new website, look at some new promotional material, whatever it is. They're possibly thinking about it now. And if they're thinking about it now, where are you in that discussion? If your mindset is everyone's busy, then you'll never be having those conversations. If your mindset is actually, this is a great time to go and get work, which actually it should be the attitude every single month of the year, then you'll find people who want to do work with you. Now, one more tip on this. Have a look back at if you track who you've been chatting to about projects, if you send out proposals, which you should be, look back at the last 4 or 5 months of those proposals, and anyone who's gone quiet, anyone who has said no, but you know they haven't necessarily found someone good to work with. Maybe somebody said, yeah, we're not quite ready just yet because we haven't got the money. Look back at those and maybe spend a morning over the next week or so just firing off emails or picking up the phone to those people and saying, look, I just wondered, how are you getting on? Is the rebrand or the website or whatever it is still an issue? Is the chance to talk about it? And I think you'll be surprised who comes back to you and says, actually, yeah, let's have a chat. So 3 things. If you're mega busy, great, enjoy Christmas. If you are looking to grow your business and want more work, then still enjoy Christmas, but call up previous people and go networking still and look at your network generally, look at your referral base and see who you can be having a conversation with over the next 2 weeks.